But you know, I've got something to share with you. That song on the island of Kauai. You played a concert on Kauai about 2 months ago, right? When was that? February? In February. They had us over, another ukulele and a big enthusiast, Carol Yasuda, and she's connected with the community college, etc. They had Mihana Souza and Bill, myself, and Jeff Peterson was there. And we did a wonderful, wonderful concert in the community center there for about 300 people. And after the concert, this little tiny, she was so, like a little beanpole, and she looked like a flower child. She must have been in her mid-20s. And she came up and she said, Bill, I want to give you a massage.
Why you want to tell these people?
Because we're here to share and have a good time, but I really want to well, you know, it went back, you know, and actually, to make a long story short, she was with from this really uppity wellness center in someplace in mid-Kauai in a valley, and you know, you've got all this steam rocks and everything else. But anyway, so he said, what's this massage? She's going to charge me $300. I said, no, she really just loved the concert and loves you and wants to do it for you. So the next morning, Nancy and I drive them up to Kauai, I don't know what city. And when was the last time you were in Kauai? Before that?
Before that, 1932.
Oh my God. It was, and I was back in the 1960s. I went there one time, so it was a thrill for us to be on Kauai. But anyway, he's a little nervous, so I dropped him off and Nancy off, and I said, I'm not going to go sit here for an hour. And I could tell it was really a first-class place, and they had herbs and all kinds of things. So I left. I went to the beach. I sat at the beach. I come back 45 minutes later. He comes running up in the car with a towel. Bill, tell them what happened when you got to this wellness center. Well, it was a special. Come on.
Well, I went in this place. It was legal massage. I never saw a place like that. I thought maybe it was a kahuna house. I went in, the guy took me in this room. He said, take out your clothes and put on this gown. He said, they had a gazebo over there, outside of this room, big gazebo. And I see all this smoke coming out of that damn place. I thought the place was on fire. He said, I'm going to put you in there, take a steam bath for a half hour. It's going to make you feel good and everything. And then we're going to give you a salt bath. I said, salt bath? He said, yeah, we're going to rub you all with Hawaiian salt and everything. And I said, no, I don't want to go in that steam place. I told him, I got that job. That's bad for me. Stephen, no, I don't want to take a chance. And that's true. I got something wrong with my artery. I said, no. So he said he's going to put me in the half hour. He said, well, I tell you what I do. You just go in there 5 minutes. I said, and will you leave that door open? And he said, yeah. So I went in there, and this girl come over there, I'll lay on the table, give me a massage. And they had this nice place, and my sight is very bad. And with all that smoke, I thought that they had paintings on the wall and resting on the benches where you sit down. I look over there, I see all these pictures, women I didn't know. Then after I wake up again, and I look over there, and I saw something moving. And I said, God damn it, naked women. I said, oh boy, I'm in a nudist colony. That was the craziest thing. They said, now you're going to take a shower, then we're going to give you So I go to the shop. I told this girl, I said, step aside. She said, no, I'm going to get in with you. And she took a shower with me.
So I come driving back, and he's coming out of the shower with his towel, and he goes, he's all excited. So he tells me about this sauna and how he was there, and he saw the pictures move, and it was actually naked ladies in there. So I parked the car, I take off all my clothes. In the meantime, he's in the other room, and he's being massaged by two ladies. I mean, really a first class thing. So I'm sitting in there, I'm sweating. I wait there 30 minutes, nobody comes. That was our Kauai experience. Anyway, I'm going to tell you another story about how in Waikiki, and this is a real quick one, he spent 24 hours without sleeping, got off the plane. They closed Kalakaua, this is a couple of years ago, with Benny Chong and Byron Yosui and some other musicians. They had some kind of a big festival in Waikiki, and Bill was featured. They were playing right on the street, and I'm so exhausted. We finally get back to the hotel room, and I'm just crashed in the bed, and he picks up the ukulele, and it's the first time I've ever heard this song, and I think you're going to like it. In a mellow tone, he started plucking and singing the song. Listen to the words. Hold on. I'll try to play the guitar. Okay.
That's another guitar then. That's the same.
I'll play it differently.
I'll take 4. Feeling fancy free. I'm not alone. I've got company. Everything's okay. In a livelong day with a novel song. You can't go wrong in the mellow tone, and that's the way to live. If you moan and groan, something's gotta give. Just go your way and live and play. There's joy unknown in the mellow tone. play you a song that I played in World War I. It's 1918. That's just a little bit before Christ. I was 10 years old then. I hope I can do it the way I did. I heard a marching band outside the Iolani Palace. I don't know if any one of you have been to Hawaii. Outside the palace ground, they had this marching band, and they were playing this song, a war song, Stars and Stripes Forever. And I heard this band, and I kept following the band from the palace ground all the way to Smith Street in Honolulu. It's a few blocks, about 4, 5 blocks, long blocks. I had to catch on that song. So I went home that night and I tried to imitate it on a ukulele, imitate the drummer. They had a drummer in the band and they gave him a drum break. And so I was the first guy that imitated drums on a ukulele, and everybody, all the ukulele players after that copied that.